So step by step drawing baby shark. I want you to follow, and then you can be able to draw your own baby shark. It's going to be easy and simple. What I want you to do first is I want you to draw a very big circle like this. So that's step 1. Step 2, we're going to use a different color, and we're going to draw a pointed triangle at the end of the circle like this. So draw a triangle at the end of the circle like this. And now we're going to start drawing smaller triangles. Let me draw these other smaller triangles in the color, in a different color. So you're going to draw a smaller triangle on top like this. You're going to draw a smaller triangle on the bottom like this. And you're going to draw another smaller triangle right here in the middle where this triangle meets the first circle that you drew. So that these 3 small triangles are going to be the fins of the shark. Now we can go and bring another color. Let's bring the color green and draw 3 stripes here, and draw a cute little mouth over here. Now there is 2 more things that are left. We're going to bring another color. Let's bring the color red and draw 1 big eye in the middle here for our baby shark. You could put a little button nose to make the shark look even better. And now we're going to draw his tail fin still with the color red. So you want to go up and draw a little arc like that, and then bring it down, and then go down and draw the same thing and bring it up. And this is how you draw baby shark step by step, guys. So now we finished our sketch. Now what you have to do is, if you're using a pencil, you're gonna go ahead and get a bigger pencil or a pen, and then you're gonna start drawing on top of this. All right, so let's go, guys. Now we're gonna go back to using the pencil or the pen with ink, and we're gonna have to go ahead and draw our shark. Now start from up here and go, start from up here and go all the way down to the fin like this. Now you're adding up the circle with the triangle you drew first. That's 1 line. And then you're gonna go up top here and draw another line that is gonna go still all the way to the back like this. Like this. It's the same line that is gonna go all the way to the back like this. And now you can draw that line over the fin as well to make it look even more cuter, guys, and make our baby shark look even more cute. So now you're gonna go on top and you're gonna draw the top fin here for our baby shark, and we're gonna draw the bottom fin as well. And this is how you draw baby shark step by step, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and draw this one here, the fin on the inside. I think this is called the dorsal fin. And we're gonna draw his gills here, the things that he used to breathe water in and out, and draw his eye as well. And we are going to give him a cute smile like this. So now our baby shark sketch is all done. So you can go ahead and bring the eraser and take out these other parts here that we drew in the middle. But since I'm drawing on an iPad, I'll just go here and hide that layer. So now I have 1 layer, which is just my sketch. So what's gonna go ahead and happen, I'm gonna now draw the line work of our baby shark. So I'm gonna bring a technical pen, and I'm gonna make sure it's a little bit bigger so I can draw big lines to make our baby shark look even more cute. Big lines. See, it looks like a real baby shark tutu. There we go. I'm going to draw the top fin too. And I'm going to draw the bottom fin as well. And I'm going to draw this one on the inside as well. It's not coming out the way I want it. I want it to be carved a little bit like that. And then I'm going to draw these 3 things for him to breathe through. I'm going to draw a cute little smile for him as well. And I'm going to give him a little nose. And now I can draw his eye as a cute little circle and put these 2 things in to help with his eye to make him look even more happy. Let's do the tail. Let's do our baby shark's tail. It looks like a flower. I'm going to take it up this way. And I'm going to connect it. Ta-da! So now I'm going to go ahead and give him color, guys. He's going to have this bluish color. So let me go ahead and choose this bluish color right here. And I'm going to go ahead and bring the paint. And yeah, that's good. So now I'm going to start coloring him in, guys. So I'm going to go up here and I'll draw a line here. And I'll fill that in. And I'm going to do the same thing for his body. So I'm going to draw a line over there. Like this. And I'm going to make it go through his eye like this. And go all the way to his tail. And I'm going to fill that in as well. Make sure it's all filled in and it looks really cute. Alright, so I'm going to do the same thing for his fin, for his tail fin. So I'm going to draw that one. It's going to come out this way. And I'm going to make sure I close it. So when I finally put the color in it, it fills up all the way like that. So now I'm going to draw it in this bottom fin as well. And fill it in. And we're going to bring the same color, but this time a little bit light, so we can give him kind of a shadow on the bottom here, like so. Nope, that's not good. Like this. Like this. And we're going to fill that in as well. So now our baby shark is starting to look like a real baby shark. So what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to work on his eye. So we're going to go on the layer that has the eye. And we're going to select black, and we're going to fill this in. And we're going to bring out the color white. And we're going to fill these 2 spots in here like this. And I'm going to change the color of the background to look a little bit more like water. so you can see he's inside the water and he's swimming away. I need a color white to add the final touches to this part. Okay, I am going to go back to this one and I will draw out. I'll draw this part out so I can make it look even more white, because when I added the layer in the back with the water, it kind of went all the way in his body here. So I want to make sure that he has a difference in here like this. I want to make this part white. There we go. There we go. That looks cute. Now I can fill that in. And so he has that white part over there, and you can clearly see the water is different from his body. We're gonna go ahead and do the same for this fin area here. Fill it in. And for the tail fin as well. For the tail fin as well, fill it in. And there's our baby shark. We finally did it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And you should be expecting to see a little bit more of these tutorials, step by step, draw along with me on the Simio Art channel. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope to see you again in the next video as I do final touches here. Bye bye for now, guys.